LUBMAT is an international conference that brings together industry and research centers in lubrication and tribology. In this 10th edition, it is consolidated as a meeting point where scientific knowledge is transformed into applied solutions for industry.
LUBMAT helps industry improve maintenance, increase equipment availability, and reduce failures in critical assets through monitoring technologies.
The Congress combines technical and international perspectives, bringing together scientific knowledge, industrial experience, and good practices to improve reliability and safety in the industry.
LUBMAT is a space to build contacts, share knowledge, and support technology transfers between companies and academia. This edition is being held in Bilbao at the Euskalduna Palace.